This is Jacob Qualls with Aaron and Jake News for Pixo. Aaron plays guitar. DrPixo.com. We're here with Autumn Hensick.
We're still rolling, people!
And I just got my butt kicked. DrPixo.com.
So, what did happen yesterday?
Oh, God!
She asked if I knew how to delete a Pixo because they found one that was making fun of Paige.
And who is this Paige?
Dude, it's so terrible. You get this on camera.
One of the girls that Ashley and Brittany didn't like.
Did she force you to give you her password? Your
Yeah.
password. Okay, cool.
Are you serious?
Dude, shut up and get
Autumn, is it also true that
me.
your grandma gets half the funding to school and you can do whatever you want to?
Maybe.
And if they kick you out,
Check out my
But who
titties.
gives a crap? Check out my
Well,
titties.
thank you for your words.
Check out my titties.
And also, we have breaking news.
I love my
We found out that Coach Janie and Mrs. Dean were looking at the Pixos during computer class. Goodbye.